Hi friends, welcome to Winners Capsule YouTube channel. If this is the first time you are viewing my channel, then here is a short about it. This channel is focusing on making your day-to-day studies easy through simple videos on various topics for all classes under SCERT and CBSE syllabus. And also I used to upload lot of videos on various competitive examinations such as RRB, IBPS, SSC and various state PSC examinations. Hope this will help you to win at studies. All the very best. Please to support the channel with the likes and subscription. If you like my channel, please share it with your friends. In the previous session, I have discussed about fundamental unit, derived units, systems of unit, and the importance of unit and measurements. So in this video, I'll be discussing the different types of units such as CGS unit and MKS unit, FPS unit, and SI unit. So, students, we are going to discuss what is the meaning of each and every type of units. And you could able to give the example as well. So, this is very important because as a student, you need to understand what are the different types of units which are available. Okay, let us understand what is CGS unit. What is the importance of CGS unit? So this system was first introduced in France. Clear? It is also known as Gaussian system of units. Can you give some examples of CGS unit? Suppose length is a physical quantity. So what is the CGS unit of length? CGS unit of length is centimeter. You can able to say another physical quantity as mass. What is the CGS unit of mass? It is gram. Let me ask one more question. You can able to find out the physical quantity as time. What is the CGS unit of time? It is obviously second. So these are the different examples of CGS unit. Okay, please note down this. This can be expected for Viva or exam or any other type of competition. Clear? I hope it is very clear to you. Next, I would like to discuss about MKS unit. What do you mean by MKS unit? And this is also introduced in France itself. And it is also known as French system of units. Please do note down this. French system of units. For example, length is a physical quantity. So what is the unit of MKS unit of length? It is obviously meter. The MKS unit of mass will be kilogram. And also the MKS unit of time will be seconds. This you have to remember. MKS system. This is known as MKS system. Please do underline. Okay. This is also important. Now I would like to discuss about what do we mean by FPS system or FPS unit. It is introduced in Britain. And it is also known as British system of units. Please do remember this. For example, for length, according to FPS unit, you can able to define the unit of length is foot. For mass, the unit of mass is pound according to FPS unit, FPS system, British systems. And regarding the time, the FPS unit of time will be always seconds. Remember this point also, very, very important. Okay, you should know, you are a physics student, you are a science student, you should know different varieties of units. Next is very, very important. Ultimately, we are using SI units. Okay, it is internationally accepted. In the year of 1971, the General Conference on Weight and Measures held its meeting and decided the system of units for international usage because FPS and it's mainly originated from the Britain, CGS and MKS from France, but we have to speak in global. We have to consider in general. So after the meeting, they have introduced new units that is called SI unit. Can you able to elaborate the full form of SI unit? Can you able to write the full form of SI unit? The full form of SI unit is, you can able to note down, International System of Units. International System of Units is also known as SI unit. Actually, it has been taken from one of the French name. Clear? Next question. How many SI units are available? Actually, there are 7 fundamental units. Not only 7 fundamental units, but also 2 supplementary units. Altogether, 9 units will be applicable for SI units. There are 9 SI units available. 7 fundamental units plus 2 supplementary units. What are they? What are those fundamental units and supplementary units? Let's have a brief discussion. Please note down. I request you to maintain a notebook. Whenever you are attending a class, please note down. So, habit of writing lecture note need to be implemented. Okay, once you complete the class, if you go through that, definitely you can able to recall whatever you have learned. Afterwards, you can read the textbook. Okay, this habit you can able to cultivate so that whenever you are reaching to college or higher studies, definitely this will really help you out. Okay, so please follow up. Now, as I told you that there are 7 fundamental units, 7 fundamental units applicable for SI. For length, it is meter. The unit of mass will be kilogram. Then it is represented by the letter kg. The unit of time will be seconds. It is represented by small letter S. Then temperature, Kelvin. It is denoted by the letter K. Electric current, ampere, and it is denoted by the letter capital A. Luminous intensity, you can able to call SI unit as candela, and the represented way of representation will be CD. And the amount of substance, it will be in mole, and the representation will be MOL. For example, length. So you will be using meter, and you are supposed to use small letter M. So these are the fundamental units. Now let me ask one question. As I told you that there are 2 supplementary units, yes or no? Okay. So what are the supplementary units? There are 2 supplementary units. The first one is called radian. Okay, it is very important. If you study about circular motion, we have to speak about different radian. You must have heard about degree. Am I right? Yes. Likewise, there is another quantity called radian. It is used to measure plane angle. Why radian is required? To measure the plane angle. So here you can able to see theta is equal to 1 radian in this diagram. You can able to convert degree to radian and vice versa. Radian to degree and degree to radian. It is very easy. Okay, for example, 10 degree. How to convert 10 degree into radian? 10 degree into pi divided by 180. Clear? Suppose I have radian, 2 pi. How to convert 2 pi into degree? You can able to write 180 divided by pi. Clear? Pi and pi will be getting cancelled. It becomes 360 degree. 2 pi means 360 degree. Okay. So likewise, I can able to 10 degree means 10 into pi by 180. So it will be pi by 80. Pi by 18. 10 degree is equal to pi by 80. Radian you can represent by C. Okay. Pi by 18 C. Likewise, you can represent. Now let me talk about sterradian. What is the importance of sterradian? These things you will be learning in 11th standard. Okay. At that time, you will be learning in depth. Sterradian, it is used to measure solid angle, especially the main application in the area of mechanical engineering, especially in the manufacturing. Okay. These areas are mainly used. It is represented by omega. Omega is equal to 1 sterradian. Okay. So the calculation and all you will be learning in the higher classes. Time being, you do understand that there are 2 types of supplementary units in SI. One is radian, another one is sterradian. I hope you have understood what are the different types of units available. Okay, what is a CGS unit, MKS unit, FPS unit, and a SI units. And how do you segment that SI units? These are the topics you have studied in this particular session. Let me know if you are having any questions. If you don't have any questions, let us conclude. And in case you are having any queries or doubts regarding any of the topic which I discussed, you can put up in the comment box. In the coming session, I am going to discuss about the definition of meter, definition of kilogram, definition of seconds. These are the SI units. We have to define it. Okay. It is very important for your examination point and the general knowledge purpose. And you have to solve some numerical example also, so that you can understand the concept very clearly. Okay. So these are the things we are going to discuss in the upcoming class. I am also having another channel, namely Simplified Triple Studies, that is purely based on engineering studies. Please support it by sharing with your friends, those who are doing engineering, and you can find the link in the description box. Finally, thank you very much for watching this video.